Hello, my name is Richard Day. I'm a senior lecturer here at Cardiff University. I'm also part of the admissions team with the MSc Physiotherapy programme. I also teach on that programme. And today I am really lucky to be here with Zhi Xin, who is currently on the MSc in Physiotherapy programme here at Cardiff University. Thank you so much for your time. I know that you're in the middle of modules at the moment and doing work ready to submit assignments and such things. So thank you for taking the time out for this chat. How are you finding the studies here at Cardiff University at the moment? Because you haven't been here long, about 11 weeks, I think. So how has it been? How has it been? Tell me the truth.
Yeah, so far it's quite good. Like, it's sort of hard work that you need to do. So I'm trying to put a lot of effort in. And yeah, I got like very friendly classmates, peers, and also very helpful tutors, lecturers that really guide me in my assignments, my essay. Whenever there's any group discussion, I really found that really have a lot of new ideas coming in. And I'm gonna edit my essay again. It's like learning progress, and yeah, but that's interesting.
Okay, so a lot of work to do, and there's learning going on. I guess that's a good sign that we're at that point already. Sometimes, from my experience, I know that international students sort of worry or express concern about the challenges.
Yes.
Especially linked to English language use.
Yes.
Do you mind me asking, how have you found that in terms of studying in a second language? How have you found that transition? How has it been?
It's quite okay for me because I'm from Malaysia, and sometimes I use English as well in Malaysia, and at the same time there's a English in sessional course for the MSc student, so I attend that course as well, and it really is helpful in my academic writing. So I have guidance from lecturers and discussion with peers, and it really helps in my writing.
We also find that sometimes international students feel there's a difference from how they've been studying before to how they have to study here. How have you found that difference, and what is the main difference that you would say?
The main that I found is there's a lot of self-directed learning here and a lot of discussion. And yeah, because of a lot of self-study you need to do before you come to the class. So it's a very new study method for me compared to what I did in my undergrad. But yeah, it's a very good way of studying. Like a lot of brainstorming inside you. You just have a lot of new ideas, new information you can get from the discussion with your peers and lecturers. Yeah.
And what do you think has been what's been the biggest sort of challenge in that moment? Because
just really need some time to get used to it, because sometimes you may procrastinate during your self-study, and yeah, discussion sometimes you may feel like you're out of topic, or you just can't really give useful ideas to your good mates.
Yeah, but procrastination is normal in study, because I think sometimes taking that time out to think and then reset yourself and think, actually, what am I doing, and then move forward is something that can happen. But that sounds really positive. Okay. If you had to give a piece of advice for a student who's going to come and study here at Cardiff University, what would it be?
Okay. So the first step is your network, that you need to make friends.
Why is that important?
Because a friend is very important in helping you, guiding you in your learning, and also because you just need someone to help and someone to hang out with. It's not just learning here, you need to have your social life as well. And yeah, it's really good, like if you can have a discussion with a person that really have different kind of knowledge, different kind of culture. They give you a very new kind of treatment plan that they did in their country.
Yeah.
That is really different, and you can compare, and maybe you guys can find a new way or a different and interesting way of treatment plan.
And do you have any ideas yet of perhaps what you might like to do as you move towards that dissertation phase next year? Is there something that you've already started to think about that you would like to investigate, or even a direction of your career in the future?
Okay, so my interest is in cardiorespiratory. So I kind of have an idea of to like kind of investigate how much people understand the importance of cardiorespiratory function in a patient which has mainly neurological problem. Like for
Okay.
example, the understanding of cardiorespiratory function in a Parkinson's disease patient, because actually they not only have motor dysfunction, they have some respiratory dysfunction as well, which is very, very less. But just
Yeah, things are connected. Well, that sounds really
Yeah.
encouraging, because it sounds like you have the opportunity to stretch your mind and to make
Yeah.
connections between things that
that's
sound-
kind of an idea.
yeah, sounds really good. Okay, final question.
Okay.
How have you found Cardiff, the city, in terms of a place to, I guess, move to and live in to study? How has it been?
It's quite nice place. It's not as busy as London, but it's just okay. It's moderate, average. It's just not that busy and not that quiet. So it's just very perfect for me.
You found you fitted
there's-
in.
Yeah, and there's a lot of social life as well. It's not like just study and you go back home. There's a lot of outside like cafes, and you can just hang out with your friends whenever you're free. And a lot of libraries in the city center. You just, when you get bored in one place, you can just move to other place for study. It's a very nice choice to do.
Cool, brilliant. Thank you very much for your time. I don't want to keep you any longer from those assignments that are waiting to be handed in a few weeks. So good luck with those, and thank you for your time once again.
Thank you.